Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you transfer money between your accounts nationwide mobile banking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can transfer money between your nationwide accounts easily using nationwide mobile banking or online banking. First, head over and open up your nationwide mobile app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, tap on payments and transfers, then select transfer between my account. Choose the account you are transferring from and the one you are transferring to. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then tap continue and review the details. Confirm using your Face ID, fingerprint or passcode. Then lastly, what you need to do is tap on done. The transfer is usually instant. If you are transferring money using nationwide online banking, then what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in nationwide, and once it loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you, which will lead you to the nationwide homepage. Now all you gotta do is log into your account and then click on payments and transfers, then select move money between my account. Choose the account you want to transfer from, and to enter the amount and transfer date, then confirm the transfer, and then the transfer will be on its way. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.